Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a viral way to do affiliate marketing to promote your affiliate offers. And because I know that most of you are beginners and you don't have money to invest, this method is 100% free. It will cost you no money. And also there is one trick that can help you to get even better results. That is why it is really important to watch this video very carefully. So with that being said, let's start. Now, obviously, first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Second thing you need to do, you need to find products in that niche that you can promote. And for that, you can use ClickBank, you can use GVZ, you can use Warrior Plus or any other affiliate network. But because I'm running polls on my YouTube channel, I know that most of you are actually using Digistore24. So for this example, I am going to use Digistore24. So let's say I'm in weight loss niche. So what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on fitness and health. And I need to research all of these products in order to find best product for me to promote. And let's say I wish to promote this product here. As you can see, Keto Cookbook. Here you can see cancellation rate is only 2.1%, which is really important. So what I need to do, I need to click here on promote to get my Digistore24 affiliate link. So I can simply Ctrl C to copy this and I'm going to paste it on Notepad, and that is my Digistore24 affiliate link. And here you can see I can earn €4.81 per sale. That is about $5 per sale. And this is actually a free book. It is really important because people will see a free book and they will easily order this book and they will pay shipping. And that is why it is really easy to promote this book. So now when I have my product, next thing I need to do, I need to make a quiz. People like quizzes because they like testing their knowledge. They like to see are they capable of doing something or something like that. And that is why quizzes go viral really easy, and it is easy to promote them. So what is the first thing that you need to do? Well, you need to find questions for your quiz. And to do that, you can simply go on Google, and here in search bar, in this case, because I'm promoting Keto Cookbook, I can simply come here on Google search bar and type Keto Quiz. And click search, and here you can find lots of keto related quizzes. And what you need to do, you can simply open one of these quizzes and you can simply go through this quiz just to see what kind of questions these guys are asking, and you can ask similar questions. Don't just copy and paste. You can change something, change a bit these questions, and you can use those questions on your own quiz. So now when you have your questions, now you actually need to make a quiz. And because I know that most of you are beginners, because like I said, I'm running polls on my YouTube channel so I can make better videos. I know that most of you don't have money to pay for those expensive softwares like Kartra, ClickFunnels, Builderall, and so on and so on. Don't worry, there is a free solution. Free solution is called System.io. You need to register for a free account, and then you need to click here on funnels, and then you need to click here on create to create a new funnel. You need to give it name, so let's just say Keto, okay? Keto, build an audience, US dollars, doesn't really matter. Click here on create, and I created a new funnel. And I need to choose one of these templates, so let me just choose one of these. For example, let's just say this one here, okay? I chose this one, thank you page. I don't need thank you page, I can delete that, confirm, and now I actually need to make my quiz. So I need to click here to edit this page. Now I actually need to change this. Actually, I need to delete this. So let me just delete this. And here I need to give a name to my quiz. So I already prepared that. So copy. And I can simply click here and I can change it like this. Is the keto diet right for you? Okay. Now I don't need this, so I can simply delete that. Okay. And I don't need this button, this call to action. I can delete that as well. And I can delete this entire field, okay? But I actually left these social sharing buttons, and that is exactly what you need to do. You need to leave these social sharing buttons on your quiz. And now what I need to do, I need to scroll here, and I actually need to drag this survey, okay, here, like this. And now I need to edit this, so I can simply click here and then survey, edit survey questions, okay? My first question, I can actually make my first question like this. Now this is really important for keto, so I can simply click here and I can ask my question. Are you a male or female? I don't need subtitle. And here answer number 1 is male and answer number 2 is female. Okay. And I don't need answer number 3. I will delete it. And then simply click here, go back, and that's it. And then when I click here, are you a male or female? But I need to add more questions. Again, just click here on edit survey questions, add a question. I already prepared another question. So let me just click here, Control C, and then click here, and I can ask my question. Do you have time to meal prep or cook? That is also really important questions for this kind of product. So I can say here, yes, and I can add another answer, and I can say no, okay? And then just click here, back, and that's it. I added 2 questions. Now, for the purpose of this video, I will add just these 2 questions, but you should add between 5 and 10 questions. You don't want to make these quizzes too long because people don't like taking long quizzes. Add between 5 and 10 questions and simple questions with simple answers, mostly yes or no. And then I can simply go out, and this is my quiz. And this is really, really important, so pay close attention. You need to click here on final step, okay? And I actually don't need this, so I will delete this, okay? I need to add a call to action. I need to say something like this. Okay, so I will just copy this, Control C, okay, and I need to go back here on sections, and I need to add text field beneath this, okay, and here I need to add something like this, and here you can see, click here to get a free keto recipe book, and I need to go back here. This is my Digistore24 affiliate link, and I need to actually highlight this. Click here on this link, add my affiliate, Digistore24 affiliate link, click here on save, and that's it. And now what you need to do, you need to click here on save changes, and then click here on exit. And when someone click on this link, it will take them to the sales page of that book. And because it is a free book, people will actually start ordering that book. But you don't really wish to send people directly to your quiz. What you wish to do, you actually wish to write a potentially viral article. Now, to find viral articles in your niche, you can simply go on Google, and here in search bar, in this case, I can type keto. You will type something related to your own niche, and then click here on news. And here you can find lots of interesting articles. And look at this. This article actually have potential to go viral. This is a really interesting article. People will like to read this. So what you need to do, you simply need to rewrite this article. Now, I already did that, and you can publish that article on your blog, on your website, or on Google Sites. I published this on Google Sites, and this is a short article just for the purpose of this video. And this is the link to my quiz that I published on system.io. And when someone click here on this link, it will take them to my quiz. And they will finish that quiz, and that quiz will actually send them on the sales page of that book. And like I said, because it is a free book, people will actually order that book, and every time someone orders that book, I will actually earn $5. So now what you need to do, you actually need to start sending people to this article, to this viral article. Now, to start driving free traffic to this article, to this potentially viral article, you can use related Facebook groups. You can also use related forums. Forums are great. You can also use Pinterest. People on Pinterest like this kind of stuff. You can also use your Instagram page, your TikTok page, your Twitter page. You can pay influencers. You need to start driving as much traffic as you can. And the more traffic you drive, the more people will potentially order that book. And because, like I said, that is a potentially viral article, people will actually start reading that, and people will actually start sharing that article with their family and friends. And like I said, you will start getting even more traffic. And because you are promoting free book, you will start making sales. And for every order, you will get $5. So this is how you do Digistore24 affiliate marketing by getting free traffic by using viral quizzes. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.